Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Haptic or Haptics, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have three levels of vibration intensity. We have off, so if this option is selected, the vibration is turned off completely, it won't vibrate. And then we have the standard, and then we have strong. Select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. It should be applied, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.